In the week 7 reading, one of the more interesting things that I saw was the reactions of acid and bases in the form of a reaction called a neutralization reaction. And one of the neutralization reactions that I came across is with an acidic compound, hydrochloric acid, and a base compound, which is sodium hydroxide. If you were to take hydrochloric acid and dissolve it in water, what you end up with is your acidic solution, run it through H2O, and you end up with positively charged hydrogen atoms and negatively charged chlorine atoms. Sorry, that should be a negative there. And if you do the same thing with sodium hydroxide, which is Na for sodium and then OH for hydroxide, and you dissolve that in water or H2O, you end up with negatively charged hydroxide and positively charged sodium. So, if you were to mix the acidic hydrochloric acid and basic sodium hydroxide, what you would end up getting is this formula here. And remember, the hydroxide is negative, the sodium is positive, chloride or chlorine is negative, and hydrogen is positive. And what ends up happening is essentially these end up forming a chemical bond with each other's positive and negative compounds. So you end up with HOH, which can be written as H2O, and NaCl, which is water, and standard table salt, sodium chloride. Pretty neat.